So, hi, this is me and just me. There is no one to talk to, there is no conversation today. It's just gonna be me talking to the camera like a crazy person, which is very weird at this stage because it's my first experience doing this kind of head videos, talking. It's like talking to yourself, looking at the camera and talking, which is kind of weird, but I don't know how it's gonna be, but I will try to do my best. So I'm gonna be spontaneous and just talk. So I haven't thought about what I'm gonna say in this video before I press the record button. So I'm just gonna go through it and see how it's gonna be at the end and choose whether to share it or not. So yeah, so maybe after I finish this video you tell me how did it go in the comments. Yeah, so I just thought about recording this video to thank you all for being here, for watching the videos, for watching every new uploads from me on this channel. And those views and those watching hours means a lot to me. Today I went through the analytics and I saw the increase of views, increase of watching time, or the hours of people watching my videos, which is increasing. I don't have the exact numbers, but there are some important numbers there which are good at this stage. And I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that people are spending their precious time watching my conversations with people and just enjoying practicing the language that I'm learning. And it's a common interest because I'm trying to improve my English, and I think most of people who are watching my videos are or have the same purpose or the same goal. So we have that shared purpose between us, which is learning the English language. And I want to say that those numbers are really motivating. I try to not care about them, but I can't help it. So that's the curse of social media, because we are always seeking the reaction of other people who are, whether on Facebook or Instagram. On Facebook, when we share something, when we share our picture, when we change our profile picture, or anything, any action we do on the platform, we are always waiting for people to react and like, maybe share, maybe comment. And on Instagram also, when we share a story, we share a picture, when we I don't know, when we share our daily activities, we always wait for that reaction from people, whether to like it, whether to reply to us, or just views. I always, when I share a story on Instagram, I check the number of views to see how many people watched my story. And I don't know why. I don't have no answer for that, but I'm just doing it automatically. Maybe my brain gets used to it. And yeah, it just happens. And also with YouTube, I'm trying to not see the analytics, but I can't help it. It just happens automatically. So yeah, today I was at work. I was working, so I had a 10-minute break. So I just picked my phone, opened it, went and went to the YouTube Studio. I have the application on YouTube of YouTube Studio on my phone, and I just refresh the page so I can see the new numbers of the day. And I found that we've surpassed the number of 300 subscribers, and I guess we are at 301 or maybe 302. I'm not sure, so maybe 301. So, and I thought to myself, wow, that's a good number. That's a big number, I think, because I started to imagine 300 people, standing in front of me, which is a lot of people. When I imagine it, just imagine 300 people, standing in front of you.
Remember this day, man.
It's big. It's big, even if it's a small number, but it's still 300 people. It's not 300 subscriber. I'm not thinking of it of just a number. It's people. It's 300 people, not subscribers. So I really thank you for that. It really means a lot. It's really motivating. I'm trying to not care about it so much, but it's really good. It's really nice. I appreciate that. And thank you for being here. And thank you for the supporting comments. I'm always receiving beautiful comments from people from different places, from different countries. And I enjoy answering your questions. So if you have any question, maybe you can put it in the comment section. I'm sorry if my reply is late because I'm busy. I have some other commitments, my work, my studies. I'm trying to improve other skills, trying to learn new stuff, and not just English. So sorry if my reply is to your comment or to your question is late. So I'm really sorry for that. So you can maybe ask any question in the comment section, or just I have my Instagram link. Maybe you can send me a message and tell me about your question, and I'll answer you whenever I have time, or whenever I have the opportunity. I'll be so happy to answer your questions. And I think that's all. I talked so much and I'm not sure what I said, so sorry. So yeah, that's it. It's too late. I'm gonna go to bed. So this is my first time trying this kind of video. So if you like it, tell me in the comment section below. What do you think of it? Maybe I'll start to do more and talk about different stuff. I think it's a good way for me to improve my communication skills, and just talk in a spontaneous way. Oh my god, I cannot say the word. Spontaneously. Oh my god, this is a hard word. Okay, never mind. So, thank you. I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye-bye, take care. And yeah, if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and like maybe comment. Why not share with your friends? And thank you. Bye bye.